Welcome.
And your assistant, no doubt. Hello, you have a good day.
Hello.
Hi there.
Okay, you're most welcome.
Oh, thank you so much. I'm looking forward to it. All right.
You're most welcome to
Oh,
Mahogany Spring.
thank you very much.
Oh,
Hello.
you are most welcome at Mahogany Springs.
Ah, thank you.
I'm Fred.
Fred, nice to meet you, Fred. I want to show you this new cabin, what my view is. And I tell you, it's like a little piece of heaven. Watching the wildlife and birds, and it's like sitting on your porch and friends drop by. So here is my room. It's just glorious. And here are the exterior doors.
Family cottage, we call family suite. We opened this one just in last year's end of July. It is very new. So this is the lounge area and sitting area. You can see, and we have one bedroom set. With having two big double bed. And also this also we have second room this side. named even by the royal family. Victoria, George, Edward, like that. So you have two bed, both is double bed. You can put here double, twin, single, any kind.
So this is the lodge. "100 feet out from the national Bwindi Impenetrable Forest. And this is the deck off of the lodge. I'm going to spoil myself with an hour's massage. The room was glorious. This is the dream team, people. This has been one of the most marvelous breaks I've ever taken, especially break that you're working through. If you can get a space at Mahogany Springs Lodge, this should be your first choice. It actually is. It's perfectly placed. The location is amazing. The amenities are amazing, and so is the staff to support you through whatever your challenge is going to be.
Audrey, receptionist, stroke masseur.
Yes.
Akampuri Ambrose, security officer.
And me, I'm Kemigabo Brenda, the waitress who works in the bar and the restaurant.
I'm called Servant Security. I'm called Musimus Barnabas. I'm working as a head housekeeper.
Enoka, housekeeping, stroke around me.
My name's Cyprian. I work in the bartendant stroke restaurant, and I also make sure that the clients here, they are very happy with their desires.
Problem solver, problem solver, problem solver.
Derek, a trainee.
Trainee.
My name's Omusuku Matthias, waitress, stroke, bar, stroke, restaurant. Thank you.
Onyait Financial is my name, a trainee.
Moses, the housekeeper.
Fred, assistant manager.
Nabe Frank, garden.
Subedi, general manager and head chef.
This is one of our closing shots, saying thank you to Uganda for all the opportunities for this project, and everybody who has been so kind in helping and supporting. We did it. And this young man has done a stellar job of taking care of me every day I've been here. Thank you so much.